welcome to the DealMentor. Today, I want to show you a quick overview of what it is, how to use it. This is your dashboard. This is the first thing that you see. As you log in, you have your days left for the trial. You have your username and email you logged in with, and the upgrade now button. This is the dashboard with various features and materials that you will have that will be generated. The software is basically divided into two different parts. You have your materials, which is your sales program, and then you have your daily tools, which is the Sales Copilot and the Outreach Builder. All of those materials, once generated, will be stored in my outputs. Step one, as you arrive and you try to click whatever, you will see that you will be asked to fill in your master intake. It's this questionnaire. It's currently empty, and none of the buttons work because the entire platform is going to be functioning based off your master intake. So it is crucial to fill it in properly. Properly means it's going to take you 15 minutes to answer the questions correctly, to make sure that the software will be beneficial to you. This master intake needs to be invested in. Your first name, your last name, and your company name is easy. What you sell and what is your value proposition and who's your ideal buyer, you need to be very specific. So in this company, they sell software for warehouses. When somebody is asking, what do you sell? I sell software for warehouses, but that is not good enough. It needs to be more than that. For example, a cloud-based warehouse management software for small to mid-sized distributors and 3PLs. What is the value proposition? Means what is the outcome your buyer will get from purchasing your product? Who is your ideal buyer? The more information you put in, the better. This one, you need to think about it for a second or two. What is the number one pain? Not just what is it that you do, what is your customer's pain that you solve? This one is a good exercise for your business in general. Put yourself in the shoes of your buyer. What's a bad day or week look like for them? In addition to the text, you have this field where you can drop your company's documents. For example, you have a one-pager or a PowerPoint or a price list that you want your AI to use. This goes here. Once done, you click this button, Build My Founder Program. What it does, it tells you what happens in the next step. So right now it's going to research your website and competitors. That's going to take a minute. It shows it's visiting and checking. This entire process is going to take 3 to 5 minutes. Please be patient. There are a lot of documents being generated. Once it's done, it moves to the next step. Right now, it's generating your 5 materials: the playbook, your ideal customer profile, your script pack, how to handle objections, and your pitch. Once it's done, you'll see a V sign right here. So those are still being generated because those are larger, and text arrives as it is being generated. Once it's done, this will disappear and we'll move to the next step. There's V signs at all of those 5 deliverables. Your master intake got scrolled up, and at any given moment, if you have additional information you'd like to edit, for example, you have a new price list, or you have a new pitch, or you have a new document, you upload it here, and you click the Build My Founder Program again. In any case, right now we have those 5 documents. Your number 1 document is your playbook. It tells you in 11 chapters exactly how to run sales for your company. Your sales identity, your pro ICP profiles, whom are you going to be selling to? How do you sell? Cold calling, scripts, emails, and so on and so forth. 11 chapters, okay? Every single document has 4 buttons right above them. You can edit manually a line. You can copy, and I'll get to the big blue button in just a second. You can copy the entire document and paste it somewhere else, or you can export it as a file to Word. Improve with AI, for example, you read this and it says, how do you sell? Okay, so it gives you an example, cold calling. What you need to check, here's how you start your call. You don't like it. You click the Improve with AI button and you type in here, I don't like the output and how to sell. I am more comfortable selling newsletters. Give me ideas, give me top 5 ideas, or include a chapter on newsletters. It's going to do that. You can say, please expand. There's not enough material. I don't understand whom am I selling. You gave me 3 potential customer types. I would like to have 20. Click that, hit apply, it generates. The bigger the generate button, it generates all 5 of them. Right now, while we're here, you can go to the My Outputs, and under My Sales program, those are your 5 documents. They are already stored here, and at any moment, here's your 4 buttons. You can view them here. You can send it, email it, share it, edit, etc. here. Those other 2, currently there's no save outputs, are connected to the Sales Copilot and to the Outreach Builder, into which we'll go in a second, but let's go back to your program. So that's your playbook. Your ICP profile tells you whom you should be selling to and how, okay? You have your tier 1. You will definitely be closing 70% of those, or should be, if done properly. This is how you sell to them. This is why they buy from you. This is the trigger events, and it's broken down into tiers. Your script pack, how to cold call and what to say to each one of those. Your objection handlers, this is the top objection that you will hear. How to deal with that. And once again, if the AI missed something, you have this button, Improve with AI. Click that, tell it what it got wrong, hit apply, and it'll get implemented. Your pitch is, you as a founder or as a solo person doing the sales will often be asked who you are and what you do. These are your pitch. Once you're done generating your 5 deliverables here, this is your daily tool to be used. This is your Sales Copilot. And by the way, all the other modules will be always outlined here, so you don't have to go back and forth. Okay, so if you're in the Sales Copilot, those are going to be also here as those buttons. Call guide. Whom are you calling? I am going to be calling John Smith. What do I know about them? I know that he has a warehouse, 50 people company, and they use Excel at the moment. Goal of this call, I want them to demo us. Click the generate call guide. This is your live call with John Smith. Here's your opening and details. If he says yes to the pitch, no to the pitch, what are the next steps? What are you saying? Your top discovery questions, because in sales, it's very important to be asking questions and not talking at the prospect. Here's your 5 questions. Okay, top 1, what to listen for. Here is buying signals, qualification red flags, urgency indicators, etc. And again, you can copy this, download as a Word, improve with AI if you don't like something, or here's this button, practice this call. Out of this, the AI will generate you a persona. Here's your persona on whom you can practice an actual call. You go to here, practice a call. Which one fits the most? That one? Pick this. Use your real product and your ICP contact. Do not use anything else. Start simulation. And currently it's in text. Soon will be in audio. This will give you an example of how your upcoming call will sound like. In the meantime, that generated script is in your outputs saved. Those are your 5 files. And now you generated that through the Sales Copilot, so it's right here. Call guide, date and time, live call guide with John Smith, right here. You can send it to your team, you can send it to your management, you can send it to your friends, teammates, bosses, and wives. An additional very important button that is throughout the software is this one. Ask the CRO. Doesn't matter which part of the software you're in. That's the CRO is always here. You click that, and you can ask it any question about any deal, pipeline, team management. This is your business consultant and advisor available to you at any point. Type in and ask. Now, if that is not good enough and you want to talk to a real person, book a call. You get your calendar. That is our founder and CEO. You choose an available date and time, and you book yourself a call. This is at any moment available at your disposal throughout the software.